how to fix Instagram black background easily and fast. First thing, guys, open settings and then you have to go into the apps manager like this. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, so you have to wait a few seconds like this, and after that you have to scroll all the way down until you find the Instagram app and click on it. After that you have to click on this force stop and then click on this storage, click on clear data and then click on clear cache, and now you have to go into the data usage option right here and make sure that all those options are enabled or turn them on like this. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.